Our top-of-the-line 304 stainless steel wire is a versatile and durable material that finds its place in a multitude of industries. It serves as the ultimate choice for enhancing both creative and practical endeavors. Here's why it's the go-to option for a wide range of applications. In terms of benefits, one of the standout features is its remarkable rust resistance. Comprising 304 grade stainless steel, it offers exceptional protection against corrosion, making it a vital material across various industries. Say goodbye to concerns about rust or deterioration, as this wire remains resilient and resistant to corrosion. The versatility and durability of 304 stainless steel wire make it a reliable option for diverse applications. Its resistance to rust, ease of handling, and adaptability render it suitable for a multitude of purposes, from industrial use to creative projects. This wire is often referred to as medium hard wire. While it may require a touch more force to shape, its extra durability makes it optimal for wire wrap chains, ear wires, studs, and more. Its adaptability extends to a multitude of applications beyond jewelry making, including sculpting, floral arrangements, gardening, and even industrial uses where corrosion resistance is essential.